Metallic property, electropositive nature. In a period, the metallic property of the elements decreases from left to the right. For example, third period, sodium, magnesium, aluminium are metals. Silicon is metalloid and phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon are nonmetals. In a group, the metallic property of the elements increases from the top to bottom. For example, in group 14 or 6, carbon is a non-metal, silicon and germanium are metalloid, while tin and lead are metals. In a period, the non-metallic property of elements increases from left to the right. In a group, the non-metallic properties of the elements decreases from the top to the bottom.